So guys, this is question number 34, and I'm going to explain about this code. So the question number 34 is check if a number is palindrome or not. So the step 1 is all about, in this step you define the input number that you wanted to check for being a palindrome. In this example we set the value is 121, and step 2 is all about, here you convert the number to a string using to string and method. This step is necessary to work with the individual digits of the number. And come to the step 3, is palindrome is boolean variable that is initially set to true. It will be used to store the result whether the number is palindrome. I and j are pointer that will be used to compare character in the string. I start from the beginning of the string and j start from the end. And come to the step 4. In this step you use a while loop to compare character from both end of the string. If you find any pair of character that do not match, you set is a palindrome to false and break out of the loop. Come to the step 5. Finally, you use console.log to display whether the input number is palindrome or not based on the value of is based on the value of is palindrome variable. And when you run this code with the input set to 121, and it will output 121 is a palindrome. So that's all about question number 34. So let's meet in the question number 35.